Hey there! Want to snap a timed photo with your iPhone? No problem at all. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set a camera timer on your iPhone so you can capture that perfect shot. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Set a timer in the camera app. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. Then, at the top of the screen, tap the arrow or swipe up to show more options. Next, tap the timer icon, which looks like a little clock at the bottom. After that, select either 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds for your timer delay. Now, position your iPhone, frame your shot, and press the shutter button. The countdown will start, and your photo will be taken automatically. Solution 2. Use the timer in live mode. Start by opening the camera app. Make sure Live Photo is turned on. It has an icon that looks like concentric circles. Then follow the same steps as before to set the timer. After the timer goes off, the camera will take a live photo, which captures a short video with sound along with your still image. And there you have it. Now you can effortlessly set a camera timer on your iPhone for those hands-free photos. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.